Welcome back, ambitious individuals. Today, we're diving deep into the world of passive income. If you're tired of trading your time for money and dreaming of financial freedom, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore a variety of passive income ideas that can help you create multiple streams of cash flow and build a more secure financial future. I'm your host, your name, and let's embark on this empowering journey together. Passive income is the secret weapon that empowers you to earn money while you sleep, providing you with the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. It's not an overnight magic pill, but with the right strategies, dedication, and perseverance, you can achieve it. So, let's roll up our sleeves and explore some exciting passive income ideas that can help you generate consistent cash flow. Real estate investments have long been a tried and true method of generating passive income. Let's dive into some strategies. 1. Rental properties. Invest in residential or commercial properties and earn passive income through monthly rental payments. 1. You can choose to manage the properties yourself or hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day operations. 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in income-generating real estate properties without directly owning them. 2. These publicly traded companies pool money from multiple investors to purchase, manage, and lease properties, and distribute the rental income as dividends. The digital era has opened up incredible opportunities for creating passive income online. Here are some detailed ideas to explore. 1. E-books and courses. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating and selling e-books or online courses. 1. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Udemy make it easy to reach a global audience and earn passive income from digital sales. 2. Affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate marketer by promoting products or services and earning commissions for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate links. 2. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or Commission Junction to access a wide range of products and start earning passive income. 3. Drop shipping. Set up an online store without the need for inventory. 3. When customers purchase products from your store, the orders are fulfilled by a third-party supplier who directly ships the products to the customers. 3. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce offer user-friendly interfaces to get your dropshipping business up and running. The stock market offers opportunities for generating passive income through dividends and long-term investments. Here's a closer look at these options. 1. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits as dividends to shareholders. 1. Look for established companies with a history of dividend payments and a track record of consistent growth. 2. Index funds. Invest in low-cost index funds that track the performance of the overall stock market. 2. These funds provide diversification, as they hold a wide range of stocks, and can potentially generate passive income through capital appreciation and dividend distributions. Take advantage of the growing popularity of peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding platforms. Let's explore these opportunities in detail. 1. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, earning interest on your investment. 1. Conduct thorough due diligence and diversify your investments to mitigate risks. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate projects alongside other investors through crowdfunding platforms like Realty Mogul or Fundrise. 2. You can earn passive income from rental income or property appreciation, without the need to directly own or manage the properties. 3. Lastly, building a business with systems and automation can lead to passive income. 3. Let's explore these strategies in more detail. 4. Creating and scaling an online business. Build a business that runs smoothly with minimal intervention by leveraging systems, virtual teams, and automation. 4. Develop digital products, provide online services, or create a software product that can be sold and delivered automatically, generating passive income. 5. Licensing or franchising. Develop a successful business model and license it to others, allowing them to operate under your brand in exchange for royalties or franchise fees. 5. This allows you to earn passive income from the success of other businesses without the need for direct involvement in their operations. Congratulations! You've gained an in-depth understanding of a wealth of passive income ideas that can help you create multiple streams of cash flow. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and perseverance. Start by choosing an idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and resources, and then take consistent action to bring it to life. If you found this detailed exploration of passive income inspiring and informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on financial independence and wealth creation. As always, I'm your name, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let's build those passive income streams and unlock our financial freedom.